Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So today I went through my fridge and realized I really don't have a whole lot of fresh produce at the moment. My cousin has my car still. It's going on 3 weeks now. And so I haven't done a top up, and this is just basically let me go through the fridge and see what I can come up with. So I have half of the Asiago Kale kit. This is the other half of the items that are in there. There's the dressing, Asiago cheese, and some little Parmesan crisps. It is 260 calories for half of the kit. So I have that. And then I just have some purple cabbage, red onion. This is a baby Honeycrisp Apple. I have a Mandarin, avocado, and then this is half of a chicken breast. I'm going to put this in the air fryer, cook that, and I have some stuffed grape leaves. There are 10 in the container. I'm going to eat one layer of them, which is 5, and that will be what I'm doing for lunch. The snail boys are getting so big. They're like the size of ping pong balls now. And that's the little shrimpies. They have a piece of tomato and a piece of squash in there today. Okay, so I used a quarter of the avocado and half of the apple, and I have that all set to go. I'm just waiting on the chicken breast to finish. It has about 3 more minutes in the air fryer, and then that will be lunch. All right, time for some dinner. So I'm going to do a black bean soup. I already cooked my black beans in the Instant Pot, and I'm just going to heat that up. I have red onion. I'm going to use the other quarter of that avocado. I have some fresh cilantro and lime juice and some Greek yogurt. And then I have a lemon pepper tuna pouch, which I'm going to put with a couple of Crispbreads. And that will be dinner. And then it will leave me enough calories for a lemon yogurt. Oh, and I had another Mandarin. So I didn't show that, but I had that as I was doing lunch. All right, then that will finish me out for the night.